What is the deal with making sacrifices with your nutrition to lose fat? On one hand, you've got people telling you that you can eat literally anything and everything you want. And on the other hand, you've got people telling you that you need to give up everything you enjoy or else you're not going to lose fat. As with everything in nutrition, the answer is probably somewhere in the middle. Unfortunately, you are going to have to make some sacrifices to reach your goals. And how many sacrifices you have to make depend on where you currently are at and where you've got to get to. For example, if you're a heavier male that has a target deficit of 2,500 calories, then probably not going to have to give up as much as a short and light female that has to eat 1,500 calories just to lose fat. However, a fat loss phase is just a temporary solution, and the sacrifices you have to make in that phase are going to be more than what you need to make in the long-term maintenance phase. And then a whole other thing to consider are special occasions and going out and enjoying yourself. And you've probably heard me talk about how you should be able to go out and enjoy yourself and still have a social life, even when you are trying to lose fat. Whilst that is true, again, the same rules still apply. You probably can't go out as often as you would like to, and you probably can't eat or drink whatever you want when you do go out, because you do have to make some sacrifices and you do have to be in a calorie deficit to lose fat. And if you are doing those things regularly, then you're probably not going to be in a calorie deficit throughout the whole week. But again, that is okay because it is just a short term thing. And that doesn't mean you aren't allowed to go out. You might just have to be a bit more thoughtful and plan ahead and maybe have a single vodka and Coke instead of a double vodka and Coke, Diet Coke. And if you are someone that's trying to lose fat but struggle with balance and knowing what you should probably be doing less of and maybe even doing more of, then give me a follow.